What's up, guys? Corey here once again with another GNCRC video. So today, guys, we are going to talk about my micro drift car. So first of all, let me just get into what I got to do to this thing, what's wrong with it, and why you hadn't seen it. Of course, you guys hadn't seen it because I just got too many projects, and it is a winter project. Winter's not over. I still got, still got a little while before the winter's over. But first, let me just jump into the car and show you what happened today. I took some photos today, and I dropped something on it, so I actually broke this, but I got a bunch of parts. So getting that fixed is not going to be a problem. And I also noticed on this side, if you notice how that part comes up, there was something broken. I forgot exactly what it is, but there's something broken right here. But that's not a big deal because I do have these actual arms. I hadn't put them on. I had them for a while, just hadn't put them on. So the actual car itself, that's the only thing that's really wrong with it. But now, I did win this body. A bunch of you guys remember this body. Triffleholics from Miko Spalding, I think is the way you pronounce his last name. I'll put the link to his Facebook and also his Instagram in the description. So this is the body I had originally, which is the R8, but you'll notice that these are completely different lengths. I don't know if you can really tell on there, but totally different lengths. Well, the beauty of this particular car is you can actually extend it. It's been extended now because actually you can make it a whole lot shorter, and you just extend that by changing the screw holes where these screw holes are, and you can slide that all the way back up to there. So I have it as far as it goes now. I can't tell you the length. I want to say like 98 millimeters. I could be wrong, could be right, I don't know. But I did buy the new bridge, which is this piece. And I'm going to extend this one to the length of this car. Now, after I do all that, I still got to put a servo in it, which I have a servo mount, which I did buy these in aluminum. I don't know why I ended up with two, but I got two packs. So in case anybody needs one, let me know. I'll get it to you. This is the DRV2. I think that's what it's called. But I also have the mono shock mod, where I can actually take these shocks in the front. It'll just be one shock up front. And from what I understand, it just gives you more steering. It has a ton of steering now. But with the mono shock mod, those wheels will get completely sideways from what I saw. So as of right now, it would rub it. But I'm not really sure if I'm gonna put that on. I talked to some people that did it, and they said that they liked it, but it wasn't a deal breaker one way or the other. Now, I got some electronics. Not really sure if I'm gonna run this or not. I got the FuryTech Momentum. This is the older one. Not really sure if I'm gonna run this. I do want to do one of the systems by FuryTech, but not this particular one. I think it's called a Hellfire, and I may even go with the one that Miko has that's branded with his company, Triffleholics, on it. I'm really looking at doing that. But after that, that's pretty much going to be it. I already got the receiver. I got a micro receiver like all the receivers that I run on my other stuff, guys. And that's pretty much it. That's where I am with this. Now, that's not to say it's going to be done in the next month or so. I'm giving myself until the end of March. But should have it done pretty soon. Only reason why it's taking me so long with this and all my other things is because with what I do for work, next month I got a ton of stuff coming out, and well, coming up that I got to pay for. And I can't really focus on this right now without taking care of all that stuff first. Once I get that stuff behind me, then we're going to jump right back onto this. And as a bunch of you guys know, we're working on the UTV, got an AX24 coming out. I'm going to grab one of those as well. And I'm probably going to slow down at that point till something new comes out. I don't know what else is in the plan. I would like to have that Losi drag car, but I can't really justify it because I got two Losi Bs and I hadn't driven either one of those, and I'm sure it's probably been 2 years now. And I'm talking about I got everything that you can put in them, and they're really set up to go really fast, hand wound motors and all. So I can't really justify that. I do want to get one, but I might convert one of them over. I'm not really sure because I already got all the electronics to stick in one. I want to let you guys know I appreciate each and every one of you. And if you're not subscribed to this channel, go ahead and hit that sub button for me now. And leave a comment, share this video, and hit the like button. Or hit the dislike if you choose. Till next time, guys, this is GNCRC. Thanks for watching.